Today I'm going to show you how I make my handmade greeting cards from my home studio. Valentine's Day is coming up really soon and I've got a couple of cards that I'm going to be selling at my local cafe, so I thought it'd be a really good time to just show you how I make my cards and the tools I use and the process I use too. Let's just get started. Once I have my design ready, I export it and I send it to my computer. I have a greeting cards template that I've already made. Because I want to create a design that is going to be usable for other occasions, I'm just going to keep it without any sort of Valentine's Day branding. That looks pretty good. Cool. So once I'm happy with my design, I export it and I get it ready for print. Okay, so the next step is we need to load the paper into the printer. I've pre-cut A4 paper. This is special paper that I got from Amazon. It's really good for printing and the color is extremely pigmented. Let's load up the printer. I've got my preset on and then I'm going to change the paper size to A5. Make sure that the scale is 100%. And then we are gonna click print. Really nice. So here I am using a scoreboard to create a nice little fold in the middle of the card that just keeps it looking nice and clean. And as you can see, it's looking real profesh. And the next step is I'm just folding it down and using the bone to reinforce that fold. Then I'm getting a poly bag and an envelope and making sure that the envelope is facing the right way. And yeah, I really love this step. Ooh, yeah. And that is it. So that's basically how I make my cards. Very simple. I like to use very minimal pieces of equipment because I don't like spending too long making them. But if you have any more questions, please let me know. Bye.